How to import fonts in CapCut. Now in PC, whatever font you have installed on your PC, that font is going to be available in CapCut to be used. Let's say you install the font. For an example, I'm just gonna choose, I want to use this font on CapCut. Once I download the font, I can click on the font, click on install. The font is going to be installed on my PC. Now this font is called Monstrate, okay? Once the font is installed, you can just open CapCut like you normally do and click on text. Click on this plus button for the text to be added. Click on the text layer at the bottom, and at the top, you can choose font. And from here, scroll all the way down until you see the option called, just scroll down until you see the option over here called system. It's gonna be at the bottom, so just scroll down. Once you're at the bottom, it's going to show you system font, which means all the font that is available in your PC. From here, you can just search for the font which you just installed. For me, it's Monstrate, so I'm just going to write MONTSERT, and it should show up. As you guys can see, it showed up over here just like that. That's how you guys can do it. Just subscribe.